Hello ma'am. Today's our Viva topic is what is the difference between array list and linked list. So let us discuss about what is the main difference between array list and linked list. Before learning the difference between array list and linked list, I will discuss about what the exactly mean by the array list and linked list. So array list is the array list is the array list means internally used dynamic array is called as a array list, and in the linked list we are used internally doubly linked list. The array list is implements list interface, and list interface is extend the collection, and collection also implements the iterable. Then again interface then again in linked list class is implements the list and q and dq, and its list is extend the collection class. So in array list is a far slower than as compared to the linked list, but the as compared to the array list, linked list is fast because of in the array list there are the multiple shifting. If we add the any element, if we delete the any element, that time in the array list there are the multiple shiftings are available. We are do the multiple shiftings, but in linked list there are no any shiftings. We can directly add any element and remove any element. In array list, the array list have minimum less memory, less memory is occupy as compared to the linked list, but linked list have a more memory uh, more memory than the array list, because of the in the linked list they means collection of the nodes, but in the nodes there are the particular part, that is previous, next and data. So different part have a different memory is allocated. So linked list have a more memory as compared get more access the more memory as compared to the array list. The array list, the we cannot create the array list. We cannot create the array list integer that is primitive data type. Also the linked list have we cannot create the linked list of the primitive data types. Also the uh, array list is a fast array list is a slower than the linked list, but linked list have a more fast is a faster than the array list, because of there are no any shiftings, but in the array is shiftings are if we add delete any element, that can be shiftings. There are the multiple shiftings, so array list is slow as compared to the linked list. Also the in the array list we can resizable size using the 2 into, that is growable size, 2 into previous length of the array, but in that linked list there are no any concept to resizable and growable method. Mm, the also the array list, uh, the default size of the array list is 10, but linked list have no any default size. If we there are the multiple constructor in the linked list. So it is all about of the linked list and array list difference. So thank you sir, thank you ma'am.